Hey, this is Tim with Expert Power Wash. Just wanted to jump on here to all the Portland area washers and let you know that we are an F9 dealer now. So if you're looking for these cleaners, we do have them. If you're looking to pick some up, give us a call, 503-403-6185. Christina is in the office. She will get you taken care of and get a time scheduled when you can come by and get your F9 supplies. Let me show you what we got in stock. And again, let us know if we can help. All right, just wanted to do a quick rundown what we have in stock and what their product line is. We have the F9 Groundskeeper, which is a great concrete cleaner. The F9 Efflo for cleaning brick and pavers, the white marks that leach out. F9 Double Eagle, great degreaser. And then of course their most famous product, F9 Barc, for cleaning up rust. We have plenty of these products. If you guys are looking to get some, we're stocked up. So give Christina at the office a call. She'll get you guys taken care of. One of the benefits about buying locally is you guys will save on the shipping, and we are competitive with what most retailers are selling this for online. So pick it up locally, save the shipping, get it right away. Let us know if we can help.